Solid Edge CAM Pro improves productivity by enabling artificial intelligence to present the machining options that are used most frequently with AI-assisted operation editing. The prediction node will guide you through the operation editing process. Suggestions will be made based on the machining application and your programming style. Over time, the prediction tab will contain the items you most frequently edit, making it the go-to spot in the operation. No more hunting for options, as the AI assistance is customized for each user, based on your preferences. With auto-generate for simple turning operations and certain 2.5-axis operations, you no longer have to generate the operation. As soon as enough parameters are available to calculate the toolpath, Solid Edge CAM Pro takes care of it. This makes NC programming faster, allowing you to review the results quicker. Similarly, any changes that require recomputation are automatically performed. See the latest results as soon as the parameters are changed. Prime turning by Sandvik increases productivity by removing more material in a shorter amount of time, enabling faster speed and increased tool life. Using either Sandvik Prime Turn A or B turning tools, we can quickly, efficiently, and safely remove the material from this undercut. Notice how smooth the entrance and exits are, which produces less stress during the cutting and helps the inserts last longer. 3D adaptive roughing provides the most efficient rough machining possible. It reliably and dynamically checks for tool holder collision when the tool moves within a region or across multiple regions. Toolpath generation is faster, bottom-up cutting has been enhanced, and a top-off flat faces option has been added for faster throughput. The Cloud Connect tool library, as the name implies, stores cutting tools in the cloud database for easy access. Tools and holding devices can be easily searched, downloaded, and modified. Immediate access to cutting tool vendors is also available from the same location. Generate toolpaths on flat surfaces with complex shapes using the face mill mid-pass operation. This feature, perfect for the milling of casted flanges or any other oddly shaped flat surface, automatically calculates the midline distance between the edges of a face and places a toolpath on it. For users that desire the cutter to be off-center of the flange, the operation can also create a toolpath along a shape described as the convex hull of the face. The face mill mid-pass operation can greatly improve productivity for this type of machining, eliminating the need to manually create a boundary line for the cutter to follow. This allows you to create the operation in minutes as opposed to hours. Save your in-process workpieces as faceted bodies in separate files. These models can be used for future machining operations, the creation of manufacturing planning operations, or the construction of secondary machining fixtures and jigs. These in-process workpieces can be saved at any stage during the machining process, even in the middle of an operation. Turn milling is designed to easily machine symmetric and eccentric cylindrical surfaces with high surface quality, precision, and high cutting volume. An operation subtype and the rotary milling template, turn milling is used to pre-cut cylindrical parts before finish machining with other rotary milling operation subtypes. Solid Edge CAM Pro provides cutting-edge updates that accelerate machining while bringing the power of artificial intelligence and the cloud to your machining processes.